Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI Nova Y91, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock on this HUAWEI. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Security section. Following that, tap on App Lock, select Enable, and tap on the best login method for you. You can click on Lock Screen Password to use your current screen lock for your apps as well, or select Custom PIN and create completely new one. I will go with this Custom PIN option, so I have to click on it and create my PIN. Then repeat it in order to confirm it. And answer the security question. If you don't like it, click on it, pick one of those, or tap on Custom Question and create your own. Save it by tapping on OK. And remember to answer correctly below. Then tap on Finish. Finally, you can click on the switchers next to your apps that you wish to lock. In my case, Bing Browser and App Gallery. So when I go back and try to access one of those apps, I can see that my PIN is now required. If you wish to disable app lock from one of your apps, go into the same settings, enter your PIN, misclick, and tap on the same no blue switchers next to your previously locked apps. To disable app lock completely though, select this switcher next to app lock feature at the top. Then select disable in the pop-up. Lastly, enter your PIN again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!